Alright, made some of this Shawnee Mills brown gravy mix. Just add water. I will see if I can find this online. I'll link it below if I can. I don't remember how much we paid for this, but I know it was on the lower end of the gravy mixes as far as cost.
Yeah, $2 at most.
So I pasted mine gravy on some cut up chicken pieces. We did add pepper, but we didn't add any salt. I'd say very quick, just add water. This is fair. I give it a 3 out of 5 stars. What do you think, Lisa?
Yeah, it's a nice gravy for what it is.
Yeah, for quick and easy.
We can easily spruce it up with adding like chicken stock next time or something.
Yeah, we did ours with water, but yeah, next time we'll do it with stock. I think that would make it really nice. If you've ever tried this kind of gravy, let me know what you thought of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.